Ako nga ni Althea Ching M. Yusuf. Grade 3 Pinya. Naka-honor ako, 3rd honor. Vice President Eskwelahan. Basta, magsurat, magbulig sa playground, tas mag-assignment. Katapos ang bagyo, ang aton room naguba, maray na kita blackboard, guba, patihan, aton lamisa ng chair. Pero, nakayad diwat ang eskulan.
Our goal is to prevent the spread of deadly diseases, and thankfully there were no major outbreaks. We're supporting schools in teaching children the importance of simple activities like drinking clean water, hand washing with soap, using proper toilets, so that they can teach their siblings, parents, and even communities when they go home. These simple things have a great impact on public health, especially for future emergencies.
Katapos ang bagyo, anang balay ang salin ubos. Ang among gamit na labog. Tas anang kuryente na utod. Waray na kami kuryente.
May nakarawat namon na cash grant. Palit namon ng kuan na among mga kuan nini ngamon plywood. Tema na pa kuang kami ng kuryente. At katiman iba maintenance medicine ng bata nagkuang kami ang terotindahan na para makuha niya. Ito nga naka-ruling ito ada kukuhaan balo ng kabataan.
It was very crucial for UNICEF to provide water, medicine, tents for school, health supplies for children, and it was very, very important for us to get systems quickly. But it's not about survival, it's much more than that. It's to make sure children survive, but they also thrive. It's about the future. 1, 2, 3, go! Disaster!
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 So this is what preparing for future emergencies look like. It's children and communities and families learning about their environment, about the surroundings and the possibilities of another disaster striking. And for us as UNICEF, it's also really important to check back with communities afterwards, to learn from them what works better, what do we need to do better next time. And it's all about ensuring that children are safe and happy and be just children.
Salamat ako, anak kong kinabuhi. Di niyo takloban.